Yo, what's good, boys? This is Soul Trades, and I literally just recorded a past trade recap, and I didn't really like it because I was just like stuttering a lot, and I didn't make sense at all. So I'm gonna just do another one for y'all. Probably, yeah, I'm not even gonna get any viewers, but it is what it is. I gotta perfect it anyways. Maybe someone will hop in one day. But yeah, okay. So ignore all that. So we come into the day. I took this trade at school, but yeah, there's a 5 minute fair value gap right here. This was yesterday's trade. Yeah, a 5 minute fair value gap right here. After this initial pump from news from today, we had a PPI news. And yeah, so I marked out this fair value gap and also had a equilibrium right here. So I was literally just walking out of class in the hallway, and I mark out this low right here. When I was walking to my second class, and I mark out this low. So we swept it right here, and then we had an inverse fair value gap right here that got completely disrespected. So I was sitting in class trying to enter right here, but teachers say put your phone away and put your iPad away, all that type of shit. But yeah, I got a pretty good feeling, not gonna lie. I wanted to enter like in this candle, but I just waited for another candle for some reason, cause yeah, I guess I don't even got an explanation for that. But I got a pretty good feeling, and my stop out was pretty good. I was trying to catch a 1.48, but yeah. It's pretty good, and I try to mark out these highs to that was gonna go back up here, but I really didn't. But yeah, and I put my stops under the inverse fairway gap just in case if it wants to bounce around or whatever. But I was pretty confident in the trade, not gonna lie. Even though I took this at school, it's pretty nice. And yeah, so I'm not washed, bro. I'm back. I'm bringing this shit back. This account is coming back, I swear to God. But yeah, this is the trade right here, and I got in a 0.03 lots. I mean, I'm using this as like I I usually like trade forex, but not anymore to be honest. I don't know why I even put them here. I might as well just remove them. But now I'm switching to futures, and futures is way better. Like in my opinion, maybe you trade forex, maybe you're successful in it. Everyone just does what they're good at. But yeah, this was my I had to switch to this because there was just no spreads and all that, like no market manipulation. Everybody sees the same thing, and I really like that. Okay, so yeah, so I see this sweep liquidity right here, and then we end up breaking structure right here. But I didn't really wait for that, so I just marked out this inverse fair value gap right here, or this fair value gap right here, and then it got demolished, yeah, as I said, and I wanted to enter here, but blah blah blah, teacher, whatever. And yeah, so I ended up taking partials right here with this fair value gap right here. Once it crossed it right here, I sold some of my partials, and I put stop loss at break even at that time. And then once it got up to this zone, price literally just like started like barely moving up here. Like it was just like really hesitant. It wanted to go up, it got down quick. It wanted to go up, shifted up. This one shifted up a little bit. It started like going down a bit. So I just sold the rest of my position right here, which I should have not done, but it was pretty good, not gonna lie. But yeah, I should have not done. I was sticking to my rules, just like if it's a break-even trade, just let it run. But since I have this 5 minute fair value, I mean no, 1 minute fair value gap right here, so we disrespected it. And Nogi, I wanted to enter here again, but price was really just moving really really slow, and now it just shows like there's like low volume in this like right here. And I don't know if it even shows real volume, but that's what I thought. So I didn't enter, and I really just wanted to enter another trade like this. So once it closed, I'll put my stops like right here. I love it below the wick, and then target the same highs I was targeting. But it wasn't a really good like risk to reward or anything, and price was moving really slow, so I just really didn't do it. It wasn't worth the risk. So once I marked out this fair value gap, I wanted to enter, blah blah blah. I didn't, and then once it went down here, it closed below this fair value gap right here. Ali just exited on the next candle because I wasn't paying attention right here. I was watching the video in class. Yeah, I just closed out right here for 100 and then 150. So for this week, yesterday and today, I'm up 212. Not really up since I'm down on this account. What am I now? Yeah, see, I'm recovering, yo. So let me cook. I'm not washed. I'm bringing this shit back. But yeah, this was my trade for today. It was pretty clean. So I had a liquidity sweep into a fair value, to a 5 minute fair value gap. We have an equilibrium, so it's in a discount. We see it disrespected this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, and I wanted to enter. And yeah, so initially, since I closed like right here, so I got a 1 to 2.5, but I was targeting a 1 to 4.8. Yeah, my other partial was like right on this candle, like right here, this one right here. So it's a 1 to 2 on my partial, but yeah, it was lucky a clean trade. I really like setups like this, and yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself to be able to take these trades and bring my account back. I was literally just like, I wanted to quit that account so bad, but I was like, you got nothing to lose, so you gotta keep bringing it back. So I'm on a win streak since yesterday and today. Yeah, I'm bringing this account back, bro. So like, I'm only down 180. So you just need another trade like this and like 30 bucks more to bring this whole account back, and I'll pass it. But yeah, it was a pretty clean trade today, and I didn't have such a pro setup or a laptop to take to school with me, so I could see like SMT divergence and NQ and ES or anything. That's not really an excuse. I was like just on my iPad. I tried my best, and I caught this trade. So catching trades at school is pretty hard. Talk about teachers telling you put your phone away or put your iPad away, whatever. Focus to this lesson or whatever. But yeah, caught this trade in school. It's pretty neat. Better than a loss. Should have been a break even, but I closed up here since just literally just like this itself just indicated we're just gonna keep going down since we were already bearish for the day. If you go to the 1 hour, you could see like without seeing all of this right here, like you could see like right here we broke structure. So and then this was news. So at like 7 a.m. we were literally bearish. So you could see like down here. But yeah, it was a bearish day, and I still managed to find a buy somehow. But it is what it is, and I won the trade, so I'm not mad about that. But yeah, this is my trade recap for the day, and yeah, it's it. So I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you are, and yeah, see you on the next trade, boys.